In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So let's jump straight into it. To begin, you'll want to open the Monopoly Go app on your device. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, shift your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled Friends. Go ahead and tap on that button. Now you'll find yourself on the Friends and Family screen. It's crucial to look at the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Ensure that you're on the Add Friends tab. This is where you will have access to your contact options. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page and you'll encounter a prominent green button that says Invite. Tap on this button to proceed. At this point, you're presented with a couple of options for sharing your Monopoly Go link with your friends on Facebook. The first method allows you to share it directly on Facebook. On your screen, you'll spot a Facebook Invite button. By tapping this, you can seamlessly send your Monopoly Go link as a message to any of your Facebook friends. This option is particularly convenient if you want to maintain the element of surprise and directly engage with your friends. If you prefer a bit more flexibility, the second option might be more your speed. You should see an orange button labeled Invite Link. When you tap on this, an option to copy your invite link will appear at the top. Select Copy to save the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can take advantage of the versatility offered by the Facebook Messenger app or the Facebook app itself, whether you're on your phone or PC. Simply paste your link into a message and send it manually to any of your friends. This method allows you a personal touch, letting you include a message or any additional instructions you might want to offer. And that's it. That's how you can send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.